Volcanoes, an opening in the Earth's crust through which molten lava, ash, and gases are ejected. Occurrence of volcanoes. I. Rocks below the Earth have a very high temperature. 2. The great pressure upon these keeps them in a semi-solid state. 3. If the pressure weakens, then some of rocks become liquid. 4. This liquid is called magma. V. The magma forces its way into cracks of the crust and may either reach the surface of the Earth where it forms lava and flow out. Types of volcanoes on the basis of activity. There are 3 types of volcanoes on the basis of volcanic activity, which are as under. I. Active volcanoes. Volcanoes are said to be active when they frequently erupt or at least when they have erupted within recent time. 2. Dormant volcanoes. The volcanoes that have been known to erupt and show signs of possible eruption in the future are described as dormant volcanoes. 3. Extinct volcanoes. The volcanoes that have not erupted at all in historic times but retain the features of volcanoes are termed as extinct volcanoes. Causes of the volcano's eruptions. I. Seafloor spreading. 2. Convergence of lithospheric plates. 3. Percolation of cold water. 4. Orogenic movements. V. High temperature in the interior of the Earth.